Good morning. Good morning, everyone. This is Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. It is Monday, July 28th, and we're just getting back from a little midsummer vacation. We hope you're having a great summer. It is a hot summer in Tampa, Florida, and it is hot in the market. Just how hot is it? What is the market forecast? Well, let us share with you where the markets are currently and what we're thinking of where they might be going. First, we look at this is SMC for Stock Market Caddy, the Swing Machine Plus. And we look at skew. This is skew on the S&P 500. It is trending up on a daily basis, which tells us that the big money, the big smart money, they are getting defensive, but boy, they could get a lot more defensive. They're not terribly concerned right here, right now. That's what it tells us. We would like to see, for those of you wanting to get, really short this market, we'd like to see the skew up in here, pushing up. Now it's headed there. It's in the middle, but we'd like to see it higher. The fear gauge on a daily basis, the fear gauge is at 20. At 20. Now, what we would really like to see is down in here in panic. Now, it may not get there. It may not. And what that means is that there's no fear in the market. So when the skew is really high and the VIX is really low, and we look at the S&P on a daily and the market is in euphoria, that is primo opportunity to say, hey, this market is tapped out. Now it's close, it's hot, but it's not as hot as it could be, right? And it may not get there. The market, the ES, is at 90, which is very high. Now, the probability is that this is going to come back. But that's our view, courtesy of Swing Machine. Now, if the market does get into euphoria, and if the VIX gets into panic, and the skew starts pushing up, it won't do it for very long. Our members have this tool, our annual members have this tool on their desktop. And they're very patient. They're very disciplined. They're not making emotional decisions on fear and greed. If you are getting it done with whatever it is you're doing, keep doing it. But if you're not, we invite you to visit StockMarketCaddy.com. Because if you had bought the ES just 56 days ago, 56 short days ago, back on May 7th, with one mini contract, you'd be up 36 grand. The NQ, 59 days ago, 62 grand. The Russell, 53, 8 grand. There's the short on the VIX. And the Dow, 53 days ago, 11,575. And she continues to grind higher at the moment. Now, we are long in the tooth. We wish you the best. Don't hesitate to reach out. Every annual member, new annual member, must go through what we call Q School. Got to do that once, giving you the opportunity to work with many of these tools, giving you the opportunity to say, no, this isn't for me. We are algorithmic traders. We make decisions on various time frames, on various markets, based on money flow. We are extracting cash flow from the money flow. We're not interested in the narratives. We want to maximize our time, maximize our profits, while minimizing the emotions of fear and greed. Good luck, everybody.